Hi, to enable USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy A35, first thing we need to do is open settings on the phone, and from here we need to find About Phone tab, which is right the first tab here. So open it, and after that you will need to tap Software Information, and here you should see build number. So what we are gonna do next is we need to tap on this build number 7 times to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now developer mode has been turned on. So to check this, we just need to simply go back using this back arrow and one more time. And after that, these developer options appears under About Phone tab. So we just need to tap it, and here we can adjust some of the settings, such as we can enable or disable some features. And if we scroll a bit more, we'll find USB debugging. So if you would like to enable it, you would need to tap on the switcher so it will light up blue. Here you'll see some information about this feature, and you would need to confirm that you want to allow USB debugging by tapping this OK button. And when enabled, it grants high-level access to the device, offering greater flexibility and control, which is especially beneficial for developers debugging applications. And to disable this feature, just tap on the switcher one more time so it will become gray, and that's it. After you enabled or disabled USB debugging, you can disable developer options itself. For that, simply return back, check the status on, and tap on this switcher near it, like that. And after that, simply use this back arrow and you'll see that this setting simply disappears from the general settings. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.